Nakapag-shopping na ba kayo? Well, kung hindi pa, it's already 11/11, which means it's the end of the year. This is your last chance. Unless gusto nyo talagang mag last minute shopping, di ba? Pagdating ng 12/12, meron pa naman for sure na darating na sale. But then again, this would be the best time for you to purchase your Christmas gifts. If not for others, your loved ones, your friends, your family, but for yourself. And speaking of which, we have this package right here from Shopee Philippines to remind us that a Shopee 11/11 sale is the biggest sale this year. So tara na, tignan natin kung ano tong pinadala nila sa atin. Okay, so we have a Christmas card. This is the biggest sale of the year, 11/11 to 12/12. All right, and you're gonna enjoy piso deals, free shipping with 0 peso minimum spend. So kahit piso yan, guys, free shipping yan. And you're gonna get 10% off various items daily. So with the giving season just around the corner, we're giving you one of the best-selling items from the hottest brands to look forward to at Shopee's 11/11 to 12/12 Big Christmas Sale. Oy, ano kaya tong hottest brands ni Shopee? So score the best deals, blah blah blah, exclusive discount, piso deals, 10 peso off, sinabi natin kanina, free shipping with minimum spend. So ayan, ito yung hashtag natin, ShopeePH 11/11/12/12 Big Christmas Sale. Hindi naman siya ganun kahaba, no, yung ating hashtag, ayan. Okay, and by the way, we are shooting this video using the Sony ZV-1 camera. So thank you Sony Philippines for lending us this camera, which we are reviewing right now. And let's take a look at this package right here. Pero weird, no? May nakalagay dito, B Coffee Company. Yun yung tag niya, B Coffee Company. Yan, okay. So, kape ba ito? Parang hindi naman. Parang malaki siya masyado para sa kape. Ano ba to? Espresso machine. Okay. At syempre, hindi tayo nagdala ng ano, no? Ng gunting. Okay. Nabati yata. So, sabi ko kanina, ano ba to? Espresso machine. So, sige, eto, buksan muna natin, ha? Okay, alam ko to eh. Okay, you guys know that I'm a huge coffee fan and I make my own espresso every day. So this is a milk frother, guys, okay? Para sa mga hindi naka-experience ng frothed milk, pwede mo siya ihalo sa coffee, sa chocolate, sa anything, guys. Just steamed milk by itself and frothed milk is an amazing drink to have. So ito yung mga suggestions niya, no? Frothy beverages. Ayan, okay. Nandito sa likod. And this is a mini hand frother. So it is supposed to be battery powered. I don't want to spend too much time here. You can look it up on your own because I want to go through the items. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So we have a Discover Kit from B Coffee Company, 4 capsules. Okay, is this a capsule-based coffee machine? All right, so you're supposed to choose your coffee capsule. Tignan natin. Okay, so 4 different kinds of capsules yung laman. Okay? Ayan po siya, guys. Ayan, close up natin. Ganyan kagaling ang autofocus ng ating Sony ZV-1. It immediately grabbed focus and showed you up close nung nilapit ko yung item, yung product. Ayan, nakafocus kaagad siya. Okay? Sobrang swabe, guys, di ba? Dito na tayo sa main item, sa ating pinaka-highlight. Ngayong 11/11 galing kay Shopee. Napanood nyo ba yung commercial ni Jackie Chan. Cute, no? Salamat, Shopee. Ganyan yun. Salamat, Shopee. Jackie Chan. Fans ba kayo ni Jackie Chan? Comment naman kayo dyan. Okay, so it is, guys. Okay. Oh, di ba? Nabate. Nung nakita natin nung umpisa, may coffee na nakalagay na tag. Sabi ko, espresso machine ba to? So, it's a capsule espresso machine from B Coffee Company. Magkano kaya ito sa Shopee? Tignan natin. Lagay na lang natin sa description box. So, if you've ever had a capsule-based coffee machine or espresso machine, basically ang laman niya sa loob is just powdered or granules, coffee granules, which is tutunawin ng boiled water. So, ito siya, guys. Okay, it's very simple to use. You just have to choose your coffee capsule. Pasok mo siya sa machine, and then you're gonna brew it. Of course, you need fresh water. And then, yun na. Wait for it to finish. Yan, 3 steps. At mayroong magandang picture dito to show you kung ano yung results. Okay. So, silipin lang natin. I'm not gonna be brewing any coffee right now. But, for the sake of showing you guys kung anong makuha nyo in case you do purchase the B Coffee Company TC01, that's the model number. Ayan. Ito yung makukuha nyo. Okay. May manuals. Very straightforward naman. You have a touch-based control panel. And you can choose from the 3 different settings. You have Ristretto, Espresso, and Lungo. So, kahit paano may alam ako sa coffee. Ristretto is like yung mabilis na extraction, which means less water. Espresso is the normal ratio. Okay. And Lungo, you kind of drag. Lungo is you're dragging the shot so that it's more watered down. Panis. May alam ako sa kape, di ba? Oh, yun. So, yun naman, that's gonna determine your cup size. So, if you want more coffee, you go for Lungo. Kasi ito naman, at the end of the day, it's capsule. So, magiging depende yung lasa dun sa dami ng tubig na ihalo mo. Okay, so, ito siya. Tabas na natin. Buti kahit papaano, no, yung ginamit nating camera for this video. I wasn't really expecting that we'll be unboxing an espresso machine today. But I just decided to go with the Sony ZV-1. Okay, kahit paano matino yung ginamit nating camera. At mas-showcase natin ng maganda at maayos itong TC01. Okay, so ito yung harap. Tama ba? Ito yung harap. Ayan. Okay. Jaran. So, I can see the spout. So, dito lalabas yung coffee. Siyempre, di natin binasa yung manual, di ba? And this is where you place the capsule sa taas. Ayan, no? Ayan, Huggies capsule. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan, ayan, ayan. Lapit pa natin. Oo, grabe. Ang swabe talaga ng ZV-1, di ba? Oo, ayan. Yung capsule. Kuha tayong isa. Kuha tayong isang capsule. Nasaan na yun? Bukas tayo dito. Ayan. Kunwari ito, di ba? Lagay mo dito. And then, pagka binaba mo to, it's gonna punch a hole through the capsule. Okay, di natin gagawin yan ngayon. So, lalabas ko lang. Ayan, di ba? May ano to eh. May cover. Foil cover. Ang galing, di ba? Pang product showcase talaga. This is called the product showcase mode on the Sony ZV-1. Nakita ako sarili ko. Ang galing, eh. Oh. Naka-focus ka agad eh. So, yan. May instructions din dito. Pagkabukas natin, in case you need a reminder. Pero very user-friendly naman yan. Kita mo nga naman, di ba? Hindi na tayo nagbasa ng manual pero nahulaan kaagad natin na dito lalagay yung capsule. Pero syempre, you need to put water dito sa likod. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang water tank. Okay? Parang mga nasa, konti lang to, mga 500 ml. Yung laman ng ating water tank. Okay. So, lagyan mo siya ng tubig. Saksak mo siya dyan. Kunwari may water na. And then, you're gonna place your capsule inside. Ganyan, like so. Press it down. It's gonna punch a hole through the capsule. Lagay mo yung cup mo here. Ayan, kunwari may cup tayo, yung kamay natin. Tapos, you turn it on. Andito yung buttons sa taas. Ayan. Okay. Tignan nga natin. Check natin kung tama yung hula natin. Okay. Yan. Tama naman yung ating hula. And these are the 3 modes. You have ristretto, which is like a short, the normal espresso, and the longo mode, which is mas maraming tubig. Yan. Tubig lang naman ang pinagkaiba niya pagdating sa capsule-based espresso machines. Ganun din naman talaga kahit sa hindi sa... What the hell am I saying? Ganun din naman siya kahit sa non-capsule-based espresso machines. Ito, hindi ko lang siya nakita kanina. Meron pa tayong isang accessory dito. Ito yung parang trap niya. Yung water, niya. Ayan. Okay? Yung drain niya. So, lalagay mo siya dito. Okay? Para pagka may excess water, dun siya mag-flow dito. Okay? Tapos ito yung... Yan. Madali mong malilinis. Okay? Yung espresso. Okay. So, yun na. May tanong ba kayo sa ating... B Coffee Company Espresso Capsule Espresso Machine. Yun yung kanyang proper name, no? Ayan. B Coffee Company, beerownbarista.today. Yun yung website niya. Okay? Check them out if you're interested. Let's play a game. Hulaan natin kung magkano ang TC01. Ayan. TC01 Capsule Espresso Machine from B Coffee Company. Hulaan ko, lalagay ko siya sa mga 1.5. Pwede na ba? Okay. Lalagay ko siya sa, iprepresyo ko siya sa 1.5. Alam ko yung mga mas may pangalan like N-Espresso and ano yung isang kalaban ni N-Espresso? Hindi ko maaalala. No? Dalawa yan yung sikat na capsule-based coffee machine. Alam ko, nag-range siya ng mga 10K, parang ganun. At medyo mahal yung kanyang capsule. Parang nung naalala ko, kasi meron yung mother-in-law ko noon. Umabot ng parang 30 pesos per capsule. Okay, and considering that these use powdered granules, hindi siya ganun kasulit for me. So I'm hoping na mas sulit itong B Coffee Company version so that you guys get an alternative that is more affordable to satisfy your espresso and coffee craving. So yun. Check it out, B Coffee Company. And with that, guys, we're gonna end this video. Don't forget to check out the ongoing sale from Shopee Philippines, Shopee 11.11 to 12.12. That is the pre-Christmas sale. And if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Biglang naging parang review, no? Kasi this was supposed to be a vlog, guys. But then again, we had the product. So like our usual review videos, as always, leave them in the comment section below. Check out our YouTube channel for actual video reviews, okay? Kasi itong vlog natin pang Facebook lang talaga to. Pero we might upload this in the YouTube channel since may hinanson din tayo eh. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Happy holidays! Ho ho ho! Bye-bye!